In today's connected world, the Internet of Things is transforming how we live and work. But there's a critical challenge that often goes unnoticed. How do we make devices from different manufacturers communicate with each other? Today, we're diving deep into IoT interoperability, exploring the challenges that prevent our devices from working together seamlessly, and discovering the innovative solutions that are paving the way for a truly connected future. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about how your smart home works, this video will break down everything you need to know about cross-platform device communication in the Internet of Things ecosystem. Let's start with the basics. Interoperability in the Internet of Things refers to the ability of different devices, systems, and platforms to communicate with each other and exchange data seamlessly. Think of it as a universal language that allows your smart thermostat, your smart lights, your security cameras, and your voice assistant to all understand each other, even if they come from completely different manufacturers. The definition is straightforward. It's the capability that ensures devices can work together effectively, sharing information and coordinating actions without requiring special adapters or complicated workarounds. Imagine this real-world scenario. You walk into your home, and your smart thermostat automatically communicates with your smart lights to create the perfect environment. Your security system talks to your door lock, and your voice assistant coordinates everything. This is only possible when all these devices speak a common language. The ultimate goal of interoperability is to create a unified smart ecosystem where brand names and technical specifications don't matter. Your devices should simply work together, providing you with a seamless, integrated experience. You might be wondering why interoperability is such a big deal. The truth is, it affects everything from your wallet to the pace of innovation in the tech industry. First and foremost, interoperability gives you freedom of choice. Without it, you'd be locked into a single ecosystem, forced to buy all your devices from one manufacturer. With interoperability, you can mix and match products based on what offers the best features, the best price, or the best design for your needs. This brings us to cost savings. When devices can work together regardless of brand, you're not forced to replace your entire system just to add a new feature. You can keep using your existing infrastructure and gradually upgrade individual components. This approach saves thousands of dollars for both consumers and businesses. Scalability is another major advantage. As your needs grow, you can easily expand your Internet of Things network by adding new devices without worrying whether they'll be compatible with your existing setup. There are no artificial barriers limiting your growth. Perhaps most exciting is how interoperability drives innovation. When manufacturers aren't competing with proprietary closed systems, they focus on creating better products with better features. Open standards encourage healthy competition, which leads to faster technological advancement and better options for everyone. Now let's talk about the obstacles standing in the way of perfect interoperability. These challenges are significant, but understanding them is the first step towards solving them. Challenge number 1: different communication protocols. Internet of Things devices use a bewildering array of protocols to communicate. Some use Wi-Fi, others use Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, or LoRaWAN. Each protocol has its own advantages and use cases, but they don't naturally speak to each other. It's like having some people speaking English, others speaking Mandarin, and still others speaking Spanish, all trying to have a conversation without a translator. Challenge number 2: proprietary standards. Many manufacturers intentionally create closed ecosystems using proprietary technologies. Why? To lock customers into their brand. Once you buy one device from their ecosystem, you're encouraged to buy everything else from them too. This strategy might be good for the manufacturer's bottom line, but it's terrible for interoperability. Challenge number 3: data format inconsistencies. Even when devices can technically communicate, they might structure their data completely differently. One thermostat might send temperature data as degrees Fahrenheit with 1 decimal point, while another sends it as degrees Celsius with 2 decimal points. Without standardized data formats, devices can't properly interpret the information they receive. Challenge number 4: security and privacy concerns. When you connect diverse devices from different manufacturers, ensuring secure communication becomes exponentially more complex. You need to protect user data, prevent unauthorized access, and maintain privacy, all while allowing legitimate devices to communicate freely. It's a delicate balance that requires careful engineering. The challenges don't stop there. Let's explore 4 more critical obstacles that make Internet of Things interoperability so complex. Challenge number 5, scalability issues. Managing just a handful of devices is relatively straightforward. But what happens when you need to coordinate thousands or even millions of connected devices? Each device might have different capabilities, different power requirements, and different network demands. Keeping everything running smoothly at scale requires sophisticated infrastructure and careful planning. Challenge number 6, legacy system integration. The reality is that most organizations already have existing infrastructure that wasn't designed with modern Internet of Things interoperability in mind. Factories have industrial equipment that's decades old. Buildings have control systems that predate the smartphone era. Connecting these legacy systems with cutting-edge Internet of Things devices is like trying to plug a USB-C cable into a cassette tape player. It requires creative solutions and often expensive middleware. Challenge number 7, lack of universal standards. While many standards exist for Internet of Things communication, there's no single globally accepted solution that works for every application. Instead, we have multiple competing standards and frameworks, each championed by different industry groups and technology companies. This fragmentation actually makes the interoperability problem worse instead of better. Challenge number 8, device discovery and configuration. In an ideal world, you'd simply plug in a new Internet of Things device, and it would automatically discover your network, introduce itself to other devices, and configure itself correctly. In reality, device discovery and configuration often requires technical expertise, manual setup processes, and troubleshooting when things go wrong. Making this process truly automatic and user-friendly remains a significant challenge. Now that we understand the challenges, let's explore the solutions. The first and most fundamental solution is the adoption of industry-wide standards and protocols. These universal communication languages allow devices from different manufacturers to understand each other. Let's look at some of the most important standards. First, the Matter protocol. Matter is a game changer in the smart home space. It's a unified standard backed by technology giants including Apple, Google, Amazon, and Samsung. Matter enables seamless cross-platform compatibility, meaning your Apple HomeKit devices can communicate directly with your Google Home devices and your Amazon Alexa devices. This collaboration between competitors represents a major shift toward true interoperability. Next, MQTT, which stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. Don't let the technical name intimidate you. MQTT is simply a lightweight messaging protocol designed specifically for Internet of Things devices that have limited bandwidth or unreliable network connections. It's become an industry standard because it's efficient, reliable, and works well even in challenging network conditions. Then there's CoAP, the Constrained Application Protocol. CoAP is designed specifically for resource-constrained devices like battery-powered sensors that need to operate for years without a battery change. It uses minimal power and bandwidth while still enabling effective communication. Finally, OPC UA, which stands for Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture. This is the standard for industrial Internet of Things systems. Manufacturing facilities, power plants, and other industrial environments use OPC UA to enable secure, reliable data exchange between diverse automation systems and devices. These standards aren't just technical specifications. They represent collaboration, compromise, and a shared vision of an interoperable future. The second major solution is middleware and integration platforms. Think of middleware as a universal translator that sits between your devices and makes them understand each other. So what exactly is middleware? Middleware is software that acts as an intermediary layer, translating between different protocols and data formats. Even when devices speak different native languages, middleware can convert messages so that every device receives information in a format it understands. It's like having a skilled interpreter at a United Nations meeting, ensuring everyone can communicate regardless of their native language. Middleware provides several critical functions. First, protocol translation and data conversion. It takes data from one device in one format and converts it into the format another device expects. Second, message routing and orchestration. Middleware intelligently routes messages between devices, ensuring information gets to the right destination. Third, device management and monitoring. Good middleware platforms provide centralized tools for managing all your Internet of Things devices, monitoring their status and troubleshooting problems. Fourth, data aggregation and processing. Middleware can collect data from multiple sources, aggregate it, process it, and provide meaningful insights. The architecture typically works in 3 layers. At the bottom, you have the Internet of Things devices layer with all your sensors, actuators, and smart devices. In the middle sits the middleware platform, handling all the translation and coordination. At the top, you have your applications and services that use the data and control the devices. This layered approach provides flexibility, scalability, and maintainability that would be impossible with direct device-to-device communication. The third solution involves application programming interfaces, or APIs, combined with cloud platforms. This approach has become increasingly popular because it leverages the scalability and power of cloud computing. APIs provide standardized ways for devices and applications to interact with cloud platforms. Instead of devices talking directly to each other, they communicate through a cloud-based intermediary. This centralized approach simplifies many interoperability challenges. Cloud platforms handle device management, data processing, and cross-device communication at massive scale. The key advantages are significant. First, scalable infrastructure. Cloud platforms can handle millions of devices without breaking a sweat. As your Internet of Things deployment grows, the cloud infrastructure grows with it automatically. Second, real-time data synchronization. When all your devices connect to the cloud, changes in one device can instantly trigger actions in other devices, regardless of their physical location. Third, advanced analytics and machine learning. Cloud platforms provide powerful tools for analyzing Internet of Things data, identifying patterns, and even predicting future events. Fourth, secure authentication and access control. Cloud providers invest heavily in security infrastructure, offering enterprise-grade protection for your Internet of Things ecosystem. Let's look at some major platforms. Oz IoT Core from Amazon is a managed cloud service designed specifically for connecting and managing Internet of Things devices at scale. It handles billions of messages and can trigger actions across millions of devices. Azure IoT Hub from Microsoft provides bidirectional communication between Internet of Things applications and devices, with built-in security and device management. Google Cloud IoT offers a comprehensive platform for device management, data ingestion, and analytics, integrated seamlessly with Google's powerful data processing and machine learning tools. These platforms abstract away much of the complexity of Internet of Things interoperability, letting you focus on building great applications instead of wrestling with communication protocols. The fourth solution addresses a deeper level of interoperability: semantic interoperability. This goes beyond just exchanging data to ensuring that different systems actually understand the meaning and context of that data. Understanding data meaning is crucial. Two devices might successfully exchange information, but if they interpret it differently, communication has failed. Semantic interoperability ensures shared understanding. It enables true information sharing and meaningful collaboration between systems. Let me give you a real-world example. Without semantic interoperability, a device might simply send temp:72. But what does that mean? 72 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius? Where was it measured? When? With semantic interoperability, the device sends complete, contextualized information. Room temperature: 72 degrees Fahrenheit, measured at living room, timestamp: 2:30 p.m. Now other systems can understand exactly what this data represents and use it appropriately. 3 technologies enable semantic interoperability. First, ontologies. These are formal definitions of concepts and the relationships between them. Ontologies create a shared vocabulary and logical structure that enables different systems to understand each other. For example, A home automation ontology might define what a room is, what temperature means, and how they relate to each other. Second, metadata standards. These are standardized ways to describe data attributes, context, and relationships. Metadata ensures that data includes all the information necessary for correct interpretation. Third, semantic web technologies like RDF and OWL. These tools enable machines to automatically understand and process data meaning without human intervention. They're the foundation of intelligent, self-organizing Internet of Things systems. Semantic interoperability is more complex than simple technical connectivity, but it's essential for creating truly intelligent Internet of Things ecosystems that can reason about data and make smart decisions automatically. Let's wrap up by discussing best practices for implementing interoperability and looking toward the future. When building or deploying Internet of Things systems, follow these best practices. First, prioritize open standards over proprietary solutions whenever possible. Open standards provide long-term flexibility and avoid vendor lock-in. Second, implement strong security from the very start. Security cannot be an afterthought in Internet of Things systems. Build it into your architecture from day one. Third, design for scalability and flexibility. Your needs will change and grow over time, so build systems that can adapt. Fourth, document your APIs and data formats clearly. Good documentation is essential for interoperability. Fifth, test interoperability regularly. Don't wait for problems to appear in production. Test how your devices work together throughout the development process. Sixth, stay updated with evolving standards. The Internet of Things landscape changes rapidly, so continuous learning is essential. For implementation, here are practical tips. Start with widely adopted protocols rather than experimenting with cutting-edge but unproven technologies. Use middleware for complex integrations where you need to connect many different types of devices. Leverage cloud platforms for device management to take advantage of their scale and reliability. Invest in proper device discovery mechanisms so users can easily add new devices to their networks. Plan for backward compatibility to ensure new devices can work with older ones. And collaborate with industry consortiums to stay informed about emerging standards and contribute to the development of better solutions. Looking to the future, several exciting trends are emerging. AI-driven integration will use artificial intelligence to automatically adapt and translate between different protocols without human intervention. Imagine systems that learn how to communicate with new devices automatically. Greater industry collaboration is pushing toward truly universal Internet of Things standards. Competitors are realizing that cooperation on interoperability benefits everyone. Enhanced security approaches like zero-trust architectures and quantum-safe encryption will protect Internet of Things networks against increasingly sophisticated threats. The future of Internet of Things interoperability is bright. As standards mature, technologies improve, and industry collaboration increases, the dream of seamlessly connected devices from any manufacturer is becoming reality. The challenges are real, but the solutions are here, and they're getting better every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.